The menstrual cycle is a natural process that happens in a woman's body. It's like a little clock that helps prepare the body for pregnancy. This cycle involves changes in hormones and the reproductive organs. Understanding this cycle can help you feel more in control of your body. The menstrual cycle has four main phases. Each phase plays a crucial role in getting your body ready for a possible pregnancy. Think of it like a dance, with each phase flowing smoothly into the next. The length of the menstrual cycle can vary from woman to woman. Some women have a 28-day cycle, while others might have a shorter or longer cycle. It's important to track your cycle to understand your own unique pattern. Knowing about your menstrual cycle can help you understand your fertility. It can also help you recognize any irregularities and seek advice from a healthcare professional if needed. The menstrual phase is the first phase of the menstrual cycle. It's the time when you get your period. During this phase, the lining of your uterus sheds, causing bleeding. The bleeding can last for a few days, usually between 3 to 7 days. The amount of blood flow can vary too. Some women experience light bleeding while others have a heavier flow. The menstrual phase is a time for your body to cleanse and renew itself. It's like hitting the reset button for a new cycle to begin. It's essential to use menstrual products to manage the bleeding hygienically. During your period, it's normal to experience some discomfort such as cramps, bloating, or mood swings. These symptoms are caused by hormone fluctuations. Don't worry, there are ways to manage these symptoms and feel better. After your period ends, the follicular phase begins. During this phase, your body starts preparing for the possibility of pregnancy. The pituitary gland in your brain releases a hormone called follicle-stimulating hormone, or FSH. FSH stimulates the growth of follicles in your ovaries. Each follicle contains an egg. As the follicles grow, they produce estrogen. Estrogen is a hormone that plays a vital role in the menstrual cycle. It helps thicken the lining of your uterus, making it ready to receive a fertilized egg. Estrogen also affects your cervical mucus, making it thinner and more slippery, which helps sperm travel to the egg. The follicular phase lasts for about 10 to 14 days. As estrogen levels rise, you might notice changes in your mood, energy levels, and even your skin. You might feel more energetic and positive during this phase. Section 4, the ovulation phase, your chance to conceive. Ovulation is the most important phase of the menstrual cycle if you're trying to get pregnant. This is the phase when one of your ovaries releases a mature egg. The egg travels down the fallopian tube, where it can be fertilized by sperm. Ovulation is triggered by a surge in luteinizing hormone, or LH. LH is another hormone produced by the pituitary gland. The ovulation phase typically occurs around day 14 of a 28-day cycle. However, the exact timing of ovulation can vary from cycle to cycle and from woman to woman. You might notice some signs that you're ovulating, such as a slight increase in basal body temperature, changes in cervical mucus. It becomes clear and stretchy like egg whites, and increased libido. Tracking these signs can help you predict your fertile window. Section 5, the luteal phase, preparing for a possible pregnancy. After ovulation, the menstrual cycle enters the luteal phase. During this phase, the ruptured follicle from which the egg was released transforms into a structure called the corpus luteum. The corpus luteum produces progesterone, a hormone essential for supporting a potential pregnancy. Progesterone helps thicken the uterine lining further, creating a nurturing environment for a fertilized egg to implant. The luteal phase lasts for about 10 to 14 days. If fertilization doesn't occur, the corpus luteum shrinks and progesterone levels drop. This drop in progesterone signals the uterus to shed its lining, leading to the start of your next period. During the luteal phase, you might experience some premenstrual symptoms due to hormonal changes. These symptoms can include mood swings, bloating, tender breasts, fatigue, and headaches. Section 6. Managing your cycle. Tips for a smoother experience. Understanding your menstrual cycle can empower you to manage it effectively. Here are some tips for a smoother experience. Track your cycle. Use a calendar, app, or fertility tracker to monitor your periods, track your symptoms, and predict your fertile window. Maintain a healthy lifestyle. Eat a balanced diet, exercise regularly, and get enough sleep to regulate your hormones and manage PMS symptoms. Manage stress. Engage in stress-reducing activities like yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout your cycle to stay hydrated and prevent bloating. Consider pain relief. Over-the-counter pain relievers like ibuprofen or naproxen can help reduce menstrual cramps. Warmth can help. Apply a heating pad or take a warm bath to ease cramps and discomfort. Communicate with your doctor. If you experience severe pain, irregular cycles, or other concerns, don't hesitate to consult your healthcare provider. Remember, every woman's experience with the menstrual cycle is unique. By listening to your body and seeking support when needed, you can navigate this natural process with greater comfort and confidence.